Hello everybody, this is JF and welcome back to the channel. This is Intro to Blacksmithing Part 5, where we are making the leaf. Now, as you can see, this is just a small recap of the last video. I just wanted to mention this is not going to be my regular content. This is a very slow, long-form content, and I'm only breaking it up in these 12-minute videos or 12 to 15-minute videos because people don't really want to... It's good to have chapters, but I don't like putting out 4 or 5 hour videos. I just don't. This is a video of every minute that we were forging that day, and so that you can hear everything we're talking about and just kind of get a feel for how it would be if you wanted to try blacksmithing. You can forge this leaf with nothing more than just an anvil shaped object and some sort of heat source, and a hammer. It's very simple to do. Using the anvil does have its perks, and it is nicer, so if you can get someone to teach you, it's not a bad idea. But if you are wanting to try this on your own, that's exactly how I started. I forged my first couple of leaves using a sledgehammer as my anvil and my other hammer as just forging it that way. It didn't look the best, but it worked. So all you got to do is try it. Again, we're going to keep on going with this, but once it's finished, we're going to get back to our regular content. Thanks for watching.
Yeah, I like this a lot, because I'm starting to, my imagination's starting to run a bit more now that I know I can do what I can.
Once you just, that's the whole point. It's like you will never figure it out until you just start hitting something.
Just gonna see what happens. Then your hands start to figure it out. GoPro, start recording.
Come on, shake the way I want you to.
Yours looks like a much better tip than mine right now. It's my point in.
It's because I just kept drawing it out. I haven't even flattened it yet, but it's dumb because it's not doing what I want it to. Out and flattening it so that it's shorter, and then maybe trying to do it like this. Maybe, I don't know, something weird so that this can kind of get fatter, because it's just not as fat as I want it to be, and I made it longer to not, so it doesn't look right in my opinion. But I could probably do what you're doing, gonna do anyways. Looks leaf shaped, but it's like it's not what I want it to be.
There's a lot of mass at the tip.
Yeah, way more mass at the tip than I want there to be. So I'm probably gonna do the same thing you're doing. Okay. Now, it's gonna take a second to do my thing.
Oh yeah, let's see that.
Not trying to white it out at all. I'm just trying to smooth it out a little bit. And get it closer to the same shape. Yeah, I think that's good. Now, sand it down. That did smooth it out though, so we're good there. Alright, I'm gonna heat that it wider. So you don't need to do too much, maybe like a ½ inch. That's good, that's good. You're losing heat.
It's kind of bended.
Yeah, it will. You're okay, stop. You're already at where you're at. So like, it might upset it a little bit, but you are getting some size out of it. So it is doing its job, because you can kind of see where that bulge right here in the center is.
Yeah.
So that's where you're.
Yeah, the weight's kind of been pushed out from the top to down.
You see that bulge right there, yo? That's what he just did. He bulged that in the center there because he cooled the tip and then he hit it right there. Now it's hot up here, so he still bent it. We don't have a wave to cool that off without pouring water on it. I don't have water right now. Well, I do, but anyways. So that's what he was doing. So he fattened it out a little bit. I'm going to try to do it with mine. I don't think it'll work as much because mine's already a little too far gone. So we'll see how it goes.
It probably won't reach the back end of yours, but it'll definitely get up to that top part.
That's usually what I do, but like right now I'm purposely doing something that I wouldn't normally do, because I'm trying to get better.
You trying to move some of the metal down too?
Yeah, I was seeing what it would do. I don't really know what I'm doing with that one. I'm just kind of like, this is, once it's cold, I'm gonna have to put it back in there. That's where I start kind of, it's still hot enough that I can slightly move it. Go back inside. Go back inside. Close the door. Love you, bye. Maybe if I try to hit it like this, it'll become something. Who knows? Who knows? But yeah, the way I started out was just, I literally came out here, I made leaves, a lot of leaves. And that's how a lot of people start out. A lot of people start out making leaves. They make nails, just whatever.
Alright, I want to start like flattening out a bit.
Just flatten it. Don't push it out. You don't want to make it longer. You hit it on one side.
Just one side?
If you're flattening it.
Okay.
You can hit the corners to widen it out, but do not hit the other side because you will just make it longer and it'll become like mine.
Okay, so then that'll just make it too long.
Because this is where you have the most meat and it's the easiest to kind of mess it up. Hey, let me see that hammer. GoPro, stop recording. that, it spreads it in every direction.
Every direction. You're not pushing it in one direction.
Right. Now, if you want to, you can hit it, you know, you turn it at an angle and you hit it straight down. That'll force that, so like that corner will force it to do this a little bit, but that, again, you see that motion, it flattens it out. It does that. Since you're hitting it right there, it'll do that, and then you hit it flat again to squish it, and that'll point it.
Right, well, what I want to do with it is I want to be less like focus on the center. I want to start thinning it out, kind of like getting a weird shape. So I guess I'll just hit it on one side.
Yeah, just hit it on one side. You can hit it on the opposite side too, so that you get the same kind of texture. But that's about the extent there.
I'm gonna focus on this side though.
That's good. I'd say throw that back in there, and then watch what I'm about to do, and see if it's something you want to do. Now this is gonna need a little more. GoPro, stop recording. Yeah, that's basically that leaf.
Side by side. Yeah, I can see what you're doing.
You see that? And I'm going to do that on this side too, try to widen it out. This has a curve in it already, so I'm going to just accept that curve and have this be the bigger portion. I'm going to have it kind of go like this, and then this is a shorter portion. So I'm just going to make sure I hit that with this all along the sides, so that way it widens that out more than this side. And then I'm going to curve it in that way so that it curves underneath. And then we can work on making this into a shape. If you wanted to, you could make it into a keychain.
Yeah, why not?
Yeah, use a keychain.
It's gonna slap on.
I'm going to widen it. I'm going to sharpen this. Oh, never mind. Oh, well.
So
GoPro, stop recording.